Hello, today we are here at Nature Bound Sahyadris in Sungsal. So as part of Pratibha Sammelan, which is an integral part of our Pratibha Poshak, we have brought 105 children of Pratibha Poshak to this wonderful place. In Pratibha Poshak, we believe that academic performance is not the only thing that leads to success. To succeed in life, children need life skills. They need leadership qualities, effective communication, teamwork, gratitude, and most importantly, self-discipline and courage. So here, Nature Bound Sahyadris has a wonderful team that imparts these skills through hands-on activities and exercises.
Good morning. My name is Konnur. I'm Executive Director Training Programs for Nature Bound Sahyadri. We are part of world's largest experiential education program running across the globe. And this program is so unique that we change the youngsters' life with empowering them with life skills and necessary character traits which are most important for thriving in this competitive world. We run programs from 5th standard onwards up to post-graduation. And each of these programs are unique and built on customized needs. So about Nature Bound Sahyadri, all I can say is if someone has to change their mindset and thought process and change their behavior patterns, they must explore once this